So installing the shelves, first step. So we can get all this cleaned up. Look, I'm messing here. Child.
Alright, baby. Give me your arm and the tools. Arm. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now we got all the shelves installed. So I'm about to start putting my inventory in here. And I'm going to separate it by seasons. So I'm going to put all the summer stuff, the swimsuits and stuff like that together. And my jeans will be like winter stuff. So I'm going to put that at the bottom. It's the heaviest. And the shoes go at the, I don't know. I'm trying to do something. The shelves in like I just showed y'all. I'm about to start putting all the shoes in. I'll put my shoes on the floor, and then I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to put all the clothes in there. We're just going to go with the flow.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
next day.
So good morning or afternoon, because it's like 1 something, almost 2. Today's Monday. And I'm about to show y'all how far I got in this room yesterday. I didn't get that far, but it looks better. So y'all know this room wasn't this bad, but I pulled all the stuff out the closet, so that's why it looked extra crazy. It wasn't this bad at first. But anywho, I started putting the jeans together. I got those jeans and those are all my shoes. These are all like my one-piece items, pants, jumpsuits, few little tops and stuff left over. These are all my 2-piece items, like my summer stuff, and then it goes into, no, that's really all summer stuff. I ain't got no 1 or 2 pieces. But yeah, 2 pieces, and then that's the summer robe with all the swim stuff, dresses, shorts, boot shorts. So yeah. So I still got these jeans to figure out what I'm doing with. And then this is what this rack look like. I'm probably gonna finish taking the rest of this stuff out this rack, so I can put like no, I might leave this on here. I think I'm gonna use this rack for like all long stuff. I was gonna put like my new arrivals on there, but I might order me a new one for that. So those are all empty. I already went through that. And of course I'm gonna clear this desk off and get all this stuff situated. But that's what we got going on or whatever. Okay, so what I'm probably about to do is get ready and go to Walmart, because I'm thinking about putting these pants and stuff in like totes, separate them out by bell bottoms and straight leg pants, because I kind of don't want to take them out the plastic, because once I get an order, the size is already ready to go. I just gotta, of course, print the paperwork off and, you know, do that or whatever. But yeah, this is almost wrapped up, y'all. So I'm gonna come back, probably about to go to Walmart. So I'll take y'all with me, put y'all clothes on, let's go. Okay, we're not going to Walmart right now. I'm gonna just put all these pants in the closet, finish making sense of this room. That way I can know everything that I need at once, because I got a feeling I'm gonna be back and forth, and I live in the country. It takes me 30 minutes to get to Walmart one way, and gas high as fuck. So that's what we not about to do. So I'm about to finish making sense of this room, and then I'm gonna show y'all what we work with. I already showed y'all earlier, it's not really much left to do, so I probably shouldn't even record this part, because it ain't that much left for whatever. My plus pants. I'm saving this bag. Y'all be saving bags. I am saving this bag. This bag is, it just got a few wrinkles in it. This will be gifted to somebody for their birthday. The girls that get it. The ones that don't, well. You scared the shit out of me.
I was singing the song.
Jesus Christ. You scared the shit out of me.
I don't get paid. I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean to. Yeah, I really scared you.
Yes.
Came in the door. Cleared up. Oh, that's a lot of teams. I don't know. Sylvie. I just like how it looks organized. You know what I'm saying?
So this is what we're looking like right now. We still got this little area to deal with. I'm gonna move this desk over by the window. And yeah, this is what we got going on. So I'll be back. And we finna see if they got that rack that I needed that I was telling y'all about. We might get a little tote or something too while we in here. Who knows? You know. So I ended up going with this little tote here. We're gonna put this inside the closet. And we need to get some butter and stuff like that because we can make some chili tonight. They finally got some groceries in the grocery store. Well, the big ass house in here still. Y'all know it was a shortage on food months ago. I feel.
Hours later.
Hey girl, hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I know them. Anytime you're ready, girl, let me hear. The face make me fly in a rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act. Face wine sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the shot. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Plus the cooking where your body you make your body strong. Girl, any problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song it turn addictive. Up like a drum on a beat. It's your night like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
It got a little dark in here now, but we are really making progress. So all the inventory is pretty much in the closet now. Pretty much all the inventory, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow when it's a little lighter in here. Y'all see it. This ain't just all the way organized as I would want it to be, but I'm gonna go back through and do inventory check just to make sure the inventory is matching up with what I have on my website. So yeah, ladies and fellas, starting your boutique or whatever type of business you starting at your home, this is an idea. So you know the closet come with that first one. Just add you some more shelves inside your closet. I didn't have $100 or $200 to spend right now. I got other stuff going on. So we went got these from Home Depot. And I want to say they were like $20 a piece. So about $80 for the shelves. And yeah. So tomorrow I'll come back and finish up this. It's just some little odds and ends. This is like the stuff I use for packaging. And I'm gonna make another video and show you how to ship out your first order. I already know they got a lot of videos, but I'll make one too. And mine's gonna be real simple. So that's it. I'm gonna move this desk. Once I clear it, move this desk over here. And we're gonna take the rug up. That'll be another day though. It'll be like months from now. But this is just for now. How to get yourself organized and going. You got a little small little space like this. See, it's real little in here. So that's it. Just make it cute, girl. Do your thing.
The next day.
What's up, y'all? So today is Tuesday and I have been up for a couple of hours. I finished the office / warehouse and it looks really cute. But now the house is a mess. So but I'm gonna show y'all. It looks so pretty. It looks a little dark in here because it's raining outside. Well, it was raining, but that's why it's looking all gloomy. And this light doesn't work, so probably gonna switch this out with a really cute glam looking light that I saw at Home Depot the other day. So that'll be another project another time. But yeah, it's really cute. Hey y'all. Okay y'all, so my camera died earlier. But what was I saying? I'm gonna get some pretty hangers and redo that rack. Put like my new arrivals on here. Right now this old stuff. So I'm gonna package some of this stuff up. Some of it, I'm probably gonna package all this stuff up honestly. Cause this is all old. But yep. This is the finished room. I'm still gonna add some more decor and stuff. About to get rid of them wigs back there that I didn't move yet. and that little stuff that I still got left back there. I'm gonna get something for this wall. Might put a little futon in here or one of those little like wicker chairs that they have now. I don't know, but I'm gonna get some more stuff later on to put in here. But for the most part, this is it. Really, really cute and girly. And so I still have a little bit more organizing to do, but for the most part, you get the picture. So that's the video. How to organize, or not sure what I'm gonna name it yet, but that's it.